If you could travel exactly 299,792,458 meters per second, your physical body wouldn't just freeze, your personal timeline would literally cease to exist. Imagine that. At the absolute speed limit of the universe, time stops entirely. Scientists around the world are now grappling with a terrifying realization. Every single second you sit here watching this video, you are hurtling through a hidden, four-dimensional grid at the speed of light. Sounds impossible, right? But the world's top quantum physicists are deeply divided over an anomaly that breaks everything we know. Is time just a cosmic illusion created by space? If so, does your past, present, and future all exist simultaneously right now? The answer will change how you see reality. To understand this, we have to look at the ground rules. For centuries, humanity thought space was just an empty box, and time was a clock ticking away on the wall. Completely separate. But Albert Einstein proved they are fused together into a single fabric called spacetime. You cannot move through space without dragging time along with it. They are locked in a cosmic dance. But here is where things get incredibly strange, and where modern science starts to break down. Stay with me here. Because what I am about to reveal next is why thousands of you are joining the Deep Space Secrets community every single day. If you want to uncover the universe's most highly classified truths with us, hit follow or subscribe right now. What you are about to see changes everything about your place in the cosmos. Let's rewind to October 1971. The Haffel-Keating experiment. Physicists took 4 hyper-precise atomic clocks, strapped them to commercial airliners, and flew them twice around the Earth. When they landed, the clocks no longer matched the ones on the ground. Space had literally warped time. Fast forward to 2023. The James Webb Space Telescope peers deep into the early universe and observes quasars moving 5 times slower than they do today. The fabric of reality was stretching. But the mystery remained: why does space need time to function? By the end of this video, you will understand this completely. Think of it like a cosmic budget. You have a fixed speed limit through spacetime. When you are sitting perfectly still on your couch, you are spending 100% of your budget moving through time. But the faster you move through space, the less budget you have left for time. That is the speed of causality. Space mathematically requires time, because without it, every event in the universe from the Big Bang to the end of everything would happen all at once in a single, chaotic flash. But just when you thought you understood the rules, new data is flipping this upside down. Theoretical physicists at MIT and quantum researchers globally are proposing something deeply controversial. What if time isn't a fundamental dimension at all? Enter the block universe theory, competing against a wildly strange idea called quantum entanglement emergence. New studies suggest time might just be a holographic illusion, a byproduct of quantum particles communicating across space. This debate is tearing the physics community apart, and I genuinely want to know what you think. Are we living in a block universe where your entire future is already written, just waiting for you to arrive at those coordinates in space? Or is time just a quantum illusion created by our brains to prevent us from going mad? Drop your wildest theories in the comments below. I read every single one, and I want to see which side you are on. This affects how we see our place in the universe. If time is just a byproduct of space, it means true interstellar travel is inevitably time travel. If humanity ever masters faster than light warp drives, the astronauts returning home wouldn't just be visiting a different Earth, they would be visiting a different era. The deeper we push into the dark forest of the cosmos, the more we realize that conquering space means we must conquer time itself. The stakes for the future of our species couldn't be higher. But we aren't completely in the dark. Humanity is actively building the keys to unlock this. In the 2030s, the European Space Agency and NASA will launch LISA, the Laser Interferometer Space Antenna. It will be the largest structure ever built by humanity, a triangle of satellites millions of miles apart, designed to detect the literal ripples in the fabric of spacetime. We are shifting from staring at the universe, to actually listening to its heartbeat. We are getting closer to reading the cosmic source code. But this anomaly in spacetime isn't the only crack in reality we have discovered. Next week, we are exposing the terrifying dark flow that is pulling entire galaxy clusters toward an unseen edge of the universe, and the impossible James Webb Space Telescope structure that physics says shouldn't exist. You won't want to miss it. Thank you for exploring with us today. Remember, space doesn't just hold our planets, it holds the very timeline of your existence. The universe is full of secrets, and we are just getting started. Stay curious, keep looking up.